Welcome to NOFOMO's totally biased campsite review. Today we're in Assateague, an island national park, and obviously if you look behind me you ask yourself, where is the campground? It is right behind me, so let's go right over and I'll show you our site. So the island national park has two areas to camp in. One are oceanside and the other one's bayside. We're on the bayside because we told it's a little more secluded, more wildlife, less people. We're in loop B and at campsite B33. B is generator free, so that's really good. There's no direct hookups. There's a fire ring, there's a picnic table, and there are pit toilets, and ours are right across with no real bother. We selected that because further down there was more sites taken already, so we opted for a little bit more hope of a secluded site. These sites have kind of pullouts. Here you can see the next one over there, and then there's one to the right. We had some guests there last night, some funny folks that we had a drink with. And what's also funny is, you have underneath the table these doors where you can store your coolers, because otherwise at night the horses may grab your stuff for a snack, and there's warning signs on the tables that you know what to do. So that's it in a nutshell. A little bit more populated park, but otherwise okay, especially with the weather like this at this time of year. Okay rating for my totally biased campsite review, but good to go. Check it out if you're here. There are 3-4 loops on this side, and so the ocean side you'll see some glimpses on my regular video when we show our travels down here. So I hope you liked it, enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe for further updates from NOFOMO's totally biased campsite review.